Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make mouse cursor auto hide only on the specific softwares or apps in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Mouse Pub. On the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see releases. Just click on this Mouse Pub and just click on this file mousepub.7jet. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here the second file mousepub. Just double click on it. Now inside this application you will see a tons of options, right? So here you need to select this program specific. If you want to make the mouse cursor only hide on the specific software or apps, then you need to select this program specific and just click on this executable, and here you can give the application name depending upon your needs. So say, just to give you an example, let me add here Explorer, and you need to click on this spy, or you can press a Ctrl E also. So let us press this spy option. So you can see activate the target window. So it's activated. Now let me open a file explorer. Let me place my mouse cursor here. Let us wait for a few seconds. So you can see the mouse cursor has been auto hidden. So if I move my computer mouse, now it will reappear back, and if I keep it for a few seconds, so it becomes auto hidden. And say if you want to add more application, then just add here. Say, just to give an example, I will add here paint software, and once again click on this spy. So you can add a tons of application here depending upon which specific softwares or applications you want to hide this specific mouse cursor. Then you can add more software or application names. And on the above you will see here the time, so you can just decrease it up to 1 second if you want to decrease it more, or if you want to increase the more seconds, after how many seconds or after how many minutes, then you can increase it, or you can just keep it as 1 second depending on your needs. And if you want to make your mouse cursor hide after every software programs, then you can just use the global, and if you want to disable this application, just click on this exit, then it will get disabled. So by using this application named as mousepub, you can easily make mouse cursor auto hide only on the specific softwares or apps in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.